Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain the costs associated with replacing a roof. Replacing your roof is a significant home investment, with average costs ranging from $5,800 to $46,000. For a standard 2,000 square foot roof, homeowners often spend around $25,840. Understanding these figures helps you budget effectively for this essential home improvement project. Several key factors determine your roof replacement cost. First, the size and complexity of your roof, including its pitch, angles, and features like dormers, greatly influence labor and material needs. Second, your choice of roofing material, from affordable asphalt shingles to premium slate, is a major cost driver. Finally, local labor rates and your home's specific location also contribute significantly to the overall project price. Let's explore the costs of different roofing materials. Asphalt shingles are a popular, budget-friendly choice, typically costing between $1 and $16 per square foot installed. For enhanced durability and longevity, metal roofing is an excellent option, with prices generally ranging from $5 to $40 per square foot. High-end materials such as natural slate or clay tiles can be a significant investment, often costing $8 to $35 per square foot. Beyond the main materials and labor, other expenses can affect your total roof replacement cost. Removing and disposing of your old roof can add $1 to $3 per square foot. Additionally, unforeseen structural repairs, like replacing damaged decking, might be necessary. Don't forget about permit fees, which usually range from $150 to $500, ensuring your project meets local building codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.